Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a simple yet essential accessory for your sneakers, the Converse Unisex replacement cord shoelaces. These are touted as some of the best high-top shoelaces on the market, so let's see if they live up to the hype. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews. These replacement laces from Converse are designed to fit perfectly with their iconic high-top sneakers. They're made from 100% polyester, which ensures durability and a long lifespan, even with frequent use. The flat style and white color make them versatile, blending seamlessly with a wide range of Converse shoes and other brands that use similar lace lengths. Now, let's talk about what sets these laces apart. They measure 54 inches, which is ideal for shoes with 8 eyelets, providing enough length for a secure fit and customizable lace patterns. The polyester material offers a balance of flexibility and strength, making them easy to tie and adjust while ensuring they stay securely fastened throughout the day. I've been using these laces for a few weeks now, and I have to say, they hold up really well. Whether you're walking around town or hitting the gym, they stay tied and don't stretch out like some cheaper alternatives. Plus, they're easy to clean. Just a quick wipe or toss in the wash, and they come out looking good as new. From my experience and looking at customer feedback, these laces have been well received. They're especially great if you're looking to replace worn-out or boring laces with something that not only looks good but also performs reliably. Keep in mind, they're designed specifically for Converse high tops, but they work well with many other sneakers that require similar length laces. Now, you might be wondering how these stack up against other options out there. Compared to generic laces, these Converse replacements are a step above in terms of quality and durability, which justifies the slightly higher price point. Wrapping things up, if you're looking to breathe new life into your Converse sneakers or any other high tops that need a fresh pair of laces, I highly recommend giving these a try. They're sturdy, stylish, and built to last. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And remember to subscribe for more unbiased product reviews here on Product Critique. See you next time.